Hey guys. All right, so for today we're going to be unboxing a OnePlus Open. I actually just bought this cell phone as a replacement to my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, which I actually did a trade-in for it, and I've already sent it in. So unfortunately I can't show you that one, but today we're going to do the OnePlus Open unboxing. I'm excited about this one. I've been kind of looking at a lot of different phones, and I like foldables. I mean, ever since I got my first foldable, this is kind of like, I now have to use a foldable. Going back to like a regular slab phone, candy bar phone, I don't know if I can do it. But today we're going to do the unboxing, and I hope you guys are going to like it. I mean, this one, again, I ordered this directly from the OnePlus website. They had a sale where I think they dropped the price of this one down to um, $12.99, which I think regularly it's $16.99, so $400 or like $500 off of it. But this is the OnePlus Open. I got the Voyager Black. I think, yeah, I got the Voyager Black. So just kind of showing you guys the box. It's a pretty nice box, actually. It's super thick. My Z Fold 4 box was like maybe this big, right? So this is a pretty hefty box. But let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. All right, so I got my knife here. Do not accept if seal is broken. Caution, sealed package. If seal has been broken or tampered with, do not give clear receipt unless contents are examined in presence of delivering agent. Okay, cool. So yeah, my seal looks good. Let's see if I can get that zoom. Yeah, my seal looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and cut it open. All right. So inside of the box, yeah, right. Never settle. Oh, I like the way that box. I don't know if that's intentional. Oh, it is. Okay. So, kind of something just very, it's something small and simple, but I actually really like that it does that. So the box is almost like when you open it, it kind of lifts the phone up. I don't know if you can kind of see that side profile of that action happening, and it pushes the front out. So, yeah, I like the presentation there. Very nice. So definitely nice to have. This is the phone itself and its own individual tray. So, camera bump, massive camera bump. We got a fast charger. I believe this one, so I got the US version. I believe this one is 67, 80. Oh, actually 80. This is an 80 watt max. Yeah, so I'm excited to use this. I heard that this can charge the phone, you know, from to 100% from zero in something like 45 minutes or something like that. So that's really nice. And then you get a nice red box here. Is there anything else underneath here? Okay, so that is everything that's in the case. Essentially, is you got your charger, you got the phone in its own tray, and then you get this box of accessories. So let's go ahead and close this one. Put that to the side. And we will open up the box of accessories. Envelope style. Let's see what's in here. I do know that it comes with a case. I've watched a lot of other unboxings and reviews of this phone. But this is my first one, so I'm excited about it. So it does have, it has a really nice texture in this back, the back part of the phone case. Remove this protected case from here, and the phone must be in a combined state. Okay. All right. So this is a nice, it's actually softer. So when I saw that it was kind of like faux leather, I didn't realize just how much faux it was going to be. It's like leather feel, but you can definitely tell that's not, It's not anywhere close to being real leather, but it is a nice feel, definitely grippy. And then this is the front part of it as well. I will say it's nice that it comes with a phone case. My Samsung Galaxy did not. So having one that came with the phone is really nice. Just to have that protection from the get go. So envelope to the side, phone case to the side. Okay, so now we have an additional envelope. Okay, so we do have a red charging cable. I'm not sure how long this is. I can just slide it out actually. Uh, it's a nice feeling. Would have liked to have a braided cable, but I know this is kind of like OnePlus's thing. Actually, so I have one of their tablets, and I want to say the tablet's the same way too. But let's just go ahead and undo that. I'm kind of struggling on the cable. Okay, so nice cable. I wouldn't say it's super long, honestly. Um, 3 feet maybe, I'd say. 3 feet cable. So depending on where you're sitting and where you're charging your phone, this should be fine. And I believe you can kind of use. You can, if you have another cable, you can probably use that with the charger. But charging cable in there. What else is in here? Okay, so we got the welcome information. I don't know what this is actually. It has like a little pull tab here. I'm kind of scared. Am I gonna? Okay. All right. So, hi there. Here it is. Phone's been waiting for you. Okay, so this is kind of like a welcome from the founder of OnePlus. So that's nice. I guess it does say welcome there. Find more benefits. What is this? Premium service, the exclusive benefits you deserve. To support the phone has flexible OLED to protect the screen. Do not remove the exclusive screen protector, and do not press on the screen crease. So that's nice. Membership card. Okay. I think I got one of these with my tablet actually. Oh, no, maybe I didn't. Oh, snap. Um, okay. I didn't realize it came with one of these. At least nothing like this. So I do have. I'll put this to the side, and whenever I activate the phone, I'll go ahead and use that. Quick start guide. That's nice. All right. Safety guide, and some stickers, and a SIM card remover. Okay, awesome. So I like these stickers actually. I collect a lot of stickers, but I never actually put them on anything. So maybe I'll do it this time. But that's everything that is in the box. So we can go ahead and put everything back. But what's this actually? There's one more thing. Oh, it looks like a female to USB-C is what it looks like. Okay, yeah. So we have a USB, a female to USB-C, probably for transfer, right? So if you're transferring between your previous phone to your new phone, I don't really need to. I don't really need it, but I have a drawer where I have a lot of these, pieces. So I'll just kind of put that in there. And that looks like everything that comes in this. I might just put this back because I know that I'm not going to use this. So I'll just go ahead and put this back in here. And then I'll put the cable or the documents back in. Close this. And then I'll place this back into the envelope box that it comes with. So that's everything that's in the envelope. And then now we can kind of just unbox the phone. Actually, I'll leave that to the side open. All right, so here is the device. Okay, so it actually has that same information on the welcome, or I guess not the welcome card, but the kind of info card that it does here. So let me go ahead and take this out of the box. Wow, that's massive. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's massive. Okay, so we'll go ahead and set this here, back in there. And here is the phone. I got it in the Voyager Black. So let's go ahead and unbox this like so. And there it is. Wow, that is like, so you can't really see it on the camera. Maybe you can. But that crease is like pretty much invisible. Like I'm gonna shine the ceiling light and you can kind of see, so that's where the crease is, and if you're really looking for it you can, but no, absolutely, all the reviews and everything is absolutely right. Having this in your hand and seeing it is something to behold. I'm not gonna lie. That's really nice. I'm just gonna fold it. Okay, so first fold. Love the way that feels. Oh, I love the size of that front screen. So, wow, this is nice. So I like I said, I went from a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 to this, and I gotta be honest, like I really like the way this looks. I really like the way it feels. I'm excited to put the case on it. I'm so sorry. Um, I'm so excited to. I'm gonna have to cut that out. But I'm so excited to start using this. I'm gonna put my SIM card in it and definitely use it. So again, front, I already have stuff on it. I have a microfiber cloth, but I actually have a screen protector that I'm going to be putting on this shortly after. But love the screen, love how big it is. I thought this was going to be a lot lighter. I'm glad this is a darker gray, so it kind of matches it a lot better. It was either this or the green one. The red one, the Apex edition, was sold out, unfortunately, so I wasn't able to get that. But I'm super satisfied with this. Oh, and I love, wow, the way that folds out is really nice. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm in love. But this is it. This is my unboxing of the OnePlus Open. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.